everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of TrustWallet on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up your TrustWallet application first and make sure you are inside the main wallet page of TrustWallet. From the main interface, tap on the settings button at the bottom right. Now, tap on the wallets option at the top under settings. Tap the eye icon right next to your wallet you'd like to log out of and make sure that you remember your backup phrases before logging out of your wallet. Tap on show secret phrase and back up your wallet phrases first. Once you have a wallet phrase, get back to the multi-coin wallets page and swipe the wallet you'd like to log out of towards the left hand side. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see a delete button. Give it a tap and tap on the delete button in the pop-up in order to sign out of TrustWallet. Now, if you ever want to get back to your wallet, you'll need to enter your secret phrases that you previously backed up. To get back to your wallet, tap on I already have a wallet from the main interface. Every time you do that, you'll need to create a passcode for your wallet. Type in the passcode and reconfirm the passcode again. And select your wallet from the options. Choose any wallet you would like to import. In my case, I'm going to choose the first option. Now, enter the secret phrases that you previously backed up in the correct order. Once you are done typing in the 12 words phrases in the correct order, tap on import at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to get back to your wallet right away. That is how you can easily sign out of TrustWallet using your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.